welcome back. Today's gonna be a wonderful day. I have a bunch of productive things planned, but first I wanted to do an unboxing of all these packages. It's just so much more fun to do unboxings together. Made and milled in Korea. The soul of Korean cooking. More than 60 recipes featuring gochujang, doenjang, and kanjang. You know, when I started cooking, I didn't really understand these three sauces that I've been eating my whole entire life actually create the foundation of Korean cooking. Whoa. It smells good. Last thing that I got that I'm very excited about, this light sparkling beverage called Honey. It's some of my favorite flavors in a sparkling drink. It's cinnamon, ginger, jujube, and persimmon. I can't wait to try it. My 43-gallon tumbling composter. I don't know, I feel like I'm about to cry reading this. Oh man. Yukke bibimbap. Beef tartare bibimbap. I need to make this right now. My mouth is watering. Jjajangmyeon. Instead of using the black bean sauce, it was milled on March 26th. It's just a few days ago. That's amazing. And then the rest of the dish is pretty simple. Just gonna prep the rest of the ingredients. I never fail to get something all over my clothes. Okay, where were we? This. Why? Okay, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. The rice is ready. The texture, it's so plump. Oh man, the flavor, it's kind of subtle. It's a little bit more nutty. Delicious. These are some edible flowers that I got from Mexico. Whoa, really strong. Maybe not these. Maybe I'll try these. don't understand how something so simple could be so delicious. The time has come. The time has come. The project of today that I've been thinking about for months and months is this is the mudroom. This is the side that you never see, but I see it every day, and it needs to go. It needs to go. Okay. That's cute. Not bad. My initial seeds that I started, they're doing okay. I planted these and then I was out of town for about a week, and so I wasn't able to monitor them as closely as I would have liked, but that's okay. Some of them still germinated. I think I might have planted them a little bit too deep, but you can see here's one tomato guy, 3 little tomato guys, and we have a few little basil guys, but that's it. We're gonna give it another go. Wonder where it is. Oh, he's not here yet?
Oh, here it is.
Is that him?
There it is.
Wow. Yay! So here's a recipe that I've never heard of before. jjajangmyeon. Instead of using the black beans, this recipe in the book uses doenjang. It looks so good. So I'm gonna try making that for lunch today, and then I'm going to pack a little picnic since I have my car, and then I'll take Bonnie a fun little adventure this afternoon. So let's begin. So good. Berg. You think? Let's try that again. Good. Oh man. Delicious. That worked. Sesame seeds. I like it a lot.
Hi. Buddy, come here, baby.